You can order the coolant temperature sensor used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 5mm Allen socket, unscrew the 3 bolts that hold the plastic cover in place. Remove the bolts using a magnetic extender. Then remove the cover. To access the coolant temperature sensor, you need to unclip and unscrew the wiring harnesses, preventing access to the sensor.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
Using needle nose pliers, squeeze the plastic clamp and unclip the harness opposite the ignition coils. Next, using a small ratchet, a small extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 2 bolts holding the wiring harness that overlaps the coolant temperature sensor. Once you have unscrewed the 2 retaining bolts, it will be easier to access the coolant temperature sensor. Using a small flathead screwdriver, press on the gray tab of the sensor connector and pull to disconnect it. Using a ratchet, a large extender, and a 19mm socket, unscrew the coolant temperature sensor a few threads without unscrewing it completely. You can order the coolant temperature sensor used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new sensor before you finish removing the old one, as coolant will leak out once the sensor has been removed. Finish removing the sensor by hand. Screw the new one back on, by hand at first. Then, tighten it until it makes contact with the ratchet. Finish tightening using a torque wrench.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Reconnect the coolant temperature sensor. Screw the 2 wiring harness retaining bolts back on. Clip the harness back on at the coils. Put the plastic cover back on and screw it back on. Operation complete.